How do human acts affect relationship and society?
Good day. My name is Andrea Gil Asusalejas, and today I want to share my reflection about how do human acts affects relationships and society. So, honestly, everything we do, naadjud na effect we sa gamay. Sometimes we don't realize it, pero atong action can either build or destroy relationships and shape society we live in. So, like sa relationships, if we are caring, honest, and supportive, mas on ang band. Like small acts like listening, showing appreciations, or being present make a big difference. Pero kung walay effort, like di ka mo reply, sige lang pagpanglibak, or walay respeto, makadamage jud na sa relationship. It even creates distance, misunderstandings, o broken trust, whether sa family, barkada, or katrabaho, or your relationship. So, sa society sad, same rapod. If people are responsible, respectful, and considerate, mas organized o peaceful. Pero kung daghan walay paki, like magpataka aglabay sa basura, di mo sunod sa rules, or di mo respeto, well, gugot jud, no? And example na sa traffic. Kung tanan mo follow sa rules, walay hassle. Pero kung daghan ang magbubuot, samot kagubot. And at the end of the day, our small actions matter. Like simple things, like being kind, mutabang, bisag ginagmay, or smiling at someone can already make a difference. Mo na, let's choose to do good kay mobile ka na sa ato.